Hi folks, Afe is here and welcome to this introduction to machine translation or MT. In this video, we'll discuss what MT is, its history, types, benefits, limitation, and example of use in the English translation between machine and the human. We'll also take a look at the future of MT and compare it to Bart and my volunteer friends translation. Let me tell you. So, what is MT? MT is the use of software to translate text from one language to another. MT systems are trained on large corpora of text and code, and they use a variety of techniques to translate text accurately and fluently. The history of MT. The first MT systems were developed in the 1950s, but they were relatively inaccurate and limited in their capabilities. In recent years, however, MT has made significant progress thanks to advances in artificial intelligence and machine learning. Types of MT. There are three main types of MT: statistical, rule-based, and neural. The statistical MT use statistical models to identify patterns in the text they are translating. The rule-based MT use a set of rules to translate the text, and the neural MT use the artificial neural networks to translate the text. The benefits of MT. MT offers a number of benefits including speed. MT system can translate text much faster than human translator. The cost. MT systems are much more cost effective than a human translator. Accessibility. MT systems are accessible to everyone regardless of their location or language skill. The limitation of MT. MT also has some limitation, including the first, accuracy. MT systems are not always accurate, especially when translating complex or nuanced text. Fluency. MT translations are not always fluent, and they may sound unnatural. The naturalness. MT translation often lack the naturalness of human translated text. And here is the comparison between machine translation that I'll be using today and it is Bart. And here is a comparison from my volunteer friends translation of the lyrics Dean Lewis song Stay Awake. So let me read the lyric first. Then I will read what my friends translate to Bahasa to you guys. So the lyrics from Dean Lewis' song Stay Awake that I choose is: tracing our finger from right to left. We're too drunk to even walk, and all of a sudden you bring up our problems. So I guess you wanna talk, cause they say the bigger the love, the harder the fall. Well, I'm crashing through the floor. The first volunteer is translating like this. Menelusuri jari-jari kita dari kanan ke kiri, kita terlalu mabuk untuk berjalan. Dan tiba-tiba kamu mengungkit masalah kita. Jadi kurasa kamu ingin berbicara. Karena mereka berkata semakin besar cintanya, semakin keras jatuhnya. Ya, saya menabrak lantai. Lalu the second volunteer, melacak jari kita dari kiri kanan, kita terlalu mabuk bahkan untuk berjalan. Dan semua dari sebuah tiba-tiba kamu mendatangkan masalah kita. Jadi saya tebak kamu mau bilang karena mereka bilang yang lebih besar cinta, yang lebih susah jatuh, lebih baik saya jatuh di lantai. The third volunteer, menautkan jari kita dari kanan ke kiri, kita terlalu mabuk hanya untuk berjalan, dan seketika kamu mengeluarkan masalahmu. Jadi aku menganggap kamu ingin bicara karena mereka berkata semakin besar cinta, semakin kuat mereka jatuh. Ya, aku terjatuh di lantai. The fourth, menelusuri jari kita dari kanan ke kiri, kita terlalu mabuk untuk berjalan. Dan secara tiba-tiba kamu mengungkit masalah kita. Jadi aku rasa kamu ingin berbicara. Sebab mereka bilang semakin besar cintanya, semakin sulit jatuhnya. Ya, aku terjatuh ke lantai. The last is, menelusuri jari dari kanan ke kiri, kita bahkan terlalu teler untuk berjalan. Dan seketika kamu membawa kembali masalah kita. Kurasa kau hanya ingin berbicara, karena mereka bilang semakin besar cintanya, semakin sakit jatuhnya. Ya, aku terjatuh menebus lantai. And from the part, so the translation is, in Indonesia is like this. It's almost the same with everyone. Let me read it. Menelusuri jari kita dari kanan ke kiri, kita terlalu mabuk untuk berjalan. Dan tiba-tiba kamu membawa masalah kita. Jadi kurasa kamu ingin bicara. Karena mereka bilang semakin besar cintanya, semakin keras jatuhnya. Nah, aku menabrak lantai. It's not that had many difference with the others. It's almost the same, and yeah, it's good enough. Yeah. As you can see, MT is able to translate the lyrics accurately, but the translation is not as fluent or natural as Bart's or my volunteer friend's translation. Bart's translation is more poetic and expressive, while my volunteer friend's translation is more literal and straightforward. Future of the machine translation. MT is a rapidly evolving field, and it is likely that MT system will continue to improve in terms of accuracy, fluency, and naturalness in the years to come. MT is poised to play an increasingly important role in the English language and literature field, making it possible to translate and share information and creative works across language and culture. I hope this video has been informative. Thank you for watching. See you.